People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People at 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People at elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. And I just had a couple of sales on the Shopify site. So if you were thinking about getting some of my soaps, you might want to get it before certain items sell out because people are buying stuff. In the meantime, speaking of buying stuff, I get my hair care from Sally's. I have started using the Hawaiian Silky line. I used to just get the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. And then it occurred to me, why not try the shampoo, the conditioner, the whole line. And when I used up most of the shampoo and the conditioner, and I was this close to being out of the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, which is a moisturizer. I use a lot of that stuff. And when I went to Sally's, once again, they were sold out of it. I usually buy 2 bottles of that at a time. And, for what it costs, I'm thinking, somebody needs to make a bigger bottle of this stuff. But you can't find a bigger bottle anywhere. In fact, the only place I've been able to find the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker has been at Sally's. So I got on the internet and typed in 14-in-1 Miracle Worker looking for a different source of the product because Sally's was out of it. And I ran across a company called AFAM, AFAM. Turns out that's the company that makes it. They make all of the 14-in-1 products. So when I typed in 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, they had a bundle that had the shampoo, the conditioner, the 14-in-1, and a moisture repair mask. So that's what I got in here. But this is how the 14-in-1 comes in the bundle. Is that cool or what? Well, it says 32 ounces, but then it says 15% more free. So this is a 37-ounce bottle compared to what I usually get. So, yeah. That makes the whole order it online thing worth it right there. And then, of course, I have my shampoo and conditioner. And the moisture mask. Which smells like the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. I've never used this, but I can't wait to try it. It says deeply conditions, provides rich moisture, repairs, replenishes, and reduces breakage. Okay, and then I bought a hair serum because, from what I understand, if you're going to grow your hair, you need a hair mask, shampoo, conditioner from a single line, and a serum. And then I got to the bottom of the box. Look at this. These are basically different samples of product. It's like, whoa. I'll be back just because of the goodies. Yeah. That's a heavy bottle. But anyway, just thought I'd share that. In my Shopify store, I have listed, it came in a box this size, the Super Bowl soaps. There's 10 available. They are listed now. So, since that's a soap I make once a year during the Super Bowl, if you want it, you might want to go get that now. The colors were red, red, yellow, and white to represent the Kansas City Chiefs, and it's like a teal green, black, and white to represent the Eagles, which were Philadelphia, or, well, somewhere in Pennsylvania. So, yeah, once the game was in progress and, that decided the colors, and then all I had to do was see who would win. And once you know, that's how I do the Super Bowl. I either go by the colors of the team or by who won, and then make the soap according to. But basically, that was a closely matched game. So the soaps are basically divided down the middle, and then I put the swirl on both sides. And some of the soaps have one team um, taking over, and some of the soaps have the other team. And then most of them are right down the middle. I'll just go get one of them. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm in the middle of shrink wrapping them. But that's how they look. So basically one team's on one side, one team's on the other side. Some of the soaps have the swirl going in between. And I mean, they were really fighting it out. So that's like this one. You can see Kansas City was taking over. And that's on the same bar. So yeah. And it smells like basil mint. Basil sage mint, which is a unisex scent. It's one of my best-selling scents. And basically when it comes to the Super Bowl, which is the soap I make during the Super Bowl, I usually use my best-selling scents and the team colors. So yeah, just thought I'd share that. I'm finna go take my hair down, use all my new hair products, put my hair back up because tomorrow is church and I'm not going like, hey, how you doing? I do crack me up. But my color is very, very vibrant, so I could let my hair down, but yeah, I have been sweating all day because the weather finally got hot enough where you could wear your sandals and all that. But that means you sweat, and that means you need to, take some shampoo and some conditioner and rinse all that sweat out. So, yeah, this has been Peepla. One thing that, well, I'm not going to mention that, but one thing that has been an issue, my platelet check last time was 699, which put me past stroke stage. Yesterday, they did a platelet count and it was 546. That takes me under stroke stage. It's still not in the normal range, but it's a lot better. I'm safer when it comes to certain issues that I have when my platelets are up. But I still have a little work to do getting my platelets down. So say a prayer for me if you're so inclined. This has been Peepla. You have been updated on mostly everything. There is another medical issue, but I'm not going to mention that until there's something to mention. Basically, there's a couple of tests. And if there's no issue, there's no need to say anything at this juncture. And if there is an issue, I will have to tell family and friends before I tell YouTube because, you don't want people that are a mile up the street from you that are related to you to find out stuff off of YouTube before they do. Anyway, facts. This has been Peepla7 on Twitter and YouTube, Peepla elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-Peepla.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now.